What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm sure y'all recognize this truck. Good old Dre is back. He's of course obviously rolling in the money around here with getting all these truck parts. But I'm gonna turn y'all around and show y'all what we got. So Dre has definitely been complaining about these headlights and these fog lights. Apparently they were super trash at night. Like, they're not bright, they're really crappy. So what he did was he went and got some Morimoto. Also put this on here, American Trucks, tons of parts for these old trucks. So Morimoto fog lights, wire all these in, and get these out. Some Morimoto projector LED headlights. Super clean look. I'm not gonna take these off until we put them on the truck, but super nice. So this should be a night and day difference. So Dre, of course, has already started taking everything apart. So you do have to take your grill off, but it's just 4 bolts on the top here, and this thing does just pop off. He already took it off and had it sitting there, but super easy. It just pops out. Move that over to the side. Now these headlights bolt here, here. I want to say there might be one more. It might just be those two, and then these things should just pop right out. But I'm gonna let Dre get back to it. We're gonna get. I wish we had a before video, but we'll just show y'all what they look like after. So this is kind of what they look like with them in the truck right now. Original. Dre already got the 2 bolts out, and yes, there is this piece that you have to pop off. It's just a snap clip. So, and then the headlight just pulls right out.
All right, this the have a hard time pulling out, bro.
So we got the headlight over here. There's all kinds of wires, but this plug was just looped back and tied into the actual harness plug here. This is the harness from the actual truck. We took it apart, plugged it in, and we'll see what happens. It kind of leaves us with a bunch of different open plugs. Not sure what they go to. Oh, these are the BRLs. But kind of just a plug and play thing according to the installation. Set these in here and see what happens. You gonna turn them on? Ooh, nice. Oh yeah. Ooh, those are bright. Good job. Hired new cameraman.
Working.
All right, so we're gonna take all this blue film off, put the bolts back in, and we're gonna take the left side out and get it put in real quick. So apparently, we were just looking all this up because these are supposed to actually be sequential and not. So these 2 little green wires, you just unplug them. That's it. And then you get the sequential. Looks pretty sweet.
Just go ahead and take it.
That's nice. Kind of giving you a little comparison with the OEM projector. Yeah, here in a sec. And then there's both of them together. And then the morimoto. So far, it is a plug and play headlight. Super simple. Looking killer. You want to turn them on real quick? Give y'all a little comparison on the actual lights. Oh, way better. As soon as we get this other one put in, we're gonna get the fog lights changed out, put the morimotos in there, and that'll just set the whole front end of this truck off. And then once it gets dark, you know, we'll do the whole little, and it'll be dark kind of deal, and then we'll give you all nice shots, see how really bright these are. Just a little update video. Got the other one in, got the grill on. Woohoo! Looking killer. We're gonna work on doing the fog lights real quick. I don't know if I showed y'all these yet, but these are gonna look pretty sick too. Should be LED. Plug and play. We'll get on the truck and get the other ones off. I had to go get my son a drink, and Dre already got these out. So, what was it, 1 bolt? 3 bolts? Oh yeah, 3 bolts there. And so we're gonna get, we might have to reuse these brackets. This bracket. Yep. So these actually, we have to take this bracket off and then put on this one, and then we'll put it back. That should be easy. We already got 1 fog light in. Super easy. It's not all the way in yet, but he's putting the bolts in right now. If you can even see up under there. But there's 3 bolts, just like this. Now you do have to take the old bracket off of the old headlight, or the old light. On this 2015 year, you actually have to drill out the hole to actually fit them, because the holes on the OEM ones are actually smaller. So take a drill bit to them, or a stepper bit, and then just make it a little bigger, and it pops right in. All right, here's the finished product. Headlights and fog lights in. Both sides. Scoot back. Super bright. And now we'll just, like I said, you'll do the little, and wait till it gets dark. And go. Voila. These things are bright. 10 out of 10 recommend. So turn them off. Normal. Highs. Turn the highs back off. Fog lights. Oh, you turned them on? Can you turn the headlights off and then the fog's only? Ten out of 10 recommend. Morimoto all the way. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We'll wrap it up. We got some performance mods we're gonna get to this truck, so stay tuned. We're probably gonna be letting these tires eat at a stoplight. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, follow this build, all the other builds. See y'all later.